somewhere in the deep corners of a top-secret military facility, away from the eyes of satellites and journalists. A new kind of war machine has been developed, one that doesn't roar through the skies like traditional helicopters. It whispers, it glides, and when it strikes, there's no warning. This is Project ViperShadow, a stealth helicopter so advanced, so elusive, that even many within the defense community aren't sure it exists. ViperShadow was designed with one mission in mind: to dominate the night. Unlike conventional helicopters that rely on bulky radar systems and visible weapon mounts, this aircraft is engineered to disappear visually, sonically, and electronically. It uses next-generation stealth materials that not only absorb radar waves but actively distort and redirect them, making the helicopter appear as if it's part of the surrounding air. The skin of ViperShadow is composed of adaptive smart fibers, materials that change their electromagnetic properties in real time depending on the threat environment. These fibers can even shift color to match the surrounding terrain or sky, effectively cloaking the craft to the human eye. Its body is sculpted with sharp, angular edges that reflect signals away from radar sources. And the rotor blades are coated with sound-canceling polymers that dramatically reduce noise, even at high RPMs. Perhaps the most frightening aspect of ViperShadow is that it is partially autonomous. Using a black box AI called Nix, the helicopter can fly missions in complete radio silence. It interprets infrared, thermal, and acoustic data in real time, enabling it to detect targets, navigate hostile territory, and even evade threats with zero human guidance. This isn't a concept, this is technology reportedly already in live testing. And like drones that hover overhead or visible helicopters that rumble from miles away, ViperShadow appears like a ghost. It's believed to operate best in urban and forested environments, using tree lines and building shadows as cover. The AI system plots movement patterns of enemy patrols, analyzes weak points in their formation, and determines the perfect moment to strike, all before the operator even asks. Its weapons, nothing conventional. ViperShadow doesn't just carry missiles, it has deployable micro-drones that scout ahead, jam communications, and even self-destruct near radar rays. In some reports, the chopper uses a directed energy weapon, a silent beam of concentrated electromagnetic radiation that disables enemy electronics without any visible sign. Think about that for a second. A helicopter flying at treetop level, in complete darkness, disabling radar towers and armored vehicles without a single shot fired. It also features a compartment system that can deploy to stealth ground bots equipped with sensors and small arms for recon and sabotage missions. These bots return to the helicopter via magnetic docking beneath the fuselage, allowing the ViperShadow to act as a mother unit for autonomous teams. That's not just future war, it's already being prototyped. In terms of maneuverability, this machine redefines what's possible. Using variable geometry rotor blades, it can change blade shape mid-flight to adapt to different altitudes and mission types. Need to hover silently for 30 minutes? It can. Need to shoot through a canyon at 400 km/h? Done. Even turbulence and unpredictable wind patterns are managed by real-time onboard gyroscopic stabilization systems. Many believe the first prototype flew as early as 2021 under the guise of a weather research program. Since then, strange black aircraft have been spotted in remote areas, including the Arctic and deserts of Nevada, moving silently, hovering with no visible tail rotor, and vanishing just as fast. While officials deny its existence, the whispers grow louder each year. There's speculation that ViperShadow was deployed in test form during Joint Black Ops in 2023 missions so classified that even the location remains undisclosed. Some insiders say it picked up targets, dropped them off, and returned without a single blip on local or foreign radar. Not one witness, not one recording. Just silence and confusion. As the arms race moves into the realm of AI stealth and autonomous warfare, Project ViperShadow may not just be the future of helicopter combat, it could be the blueprint for an entire generation of next-level war machines. Machines that don't just fight battles, but decide how they should be fought.